This 2021 K-Z Connect C261RB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Nacogdoches, Texas, 75964 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used KZ is 30 feet 4 inches in length and features a Ashwood interior, sleeps 4, water heater, smoke detector, microwave, external shower, spare tire kit, air conditioning, oven, slide-out, DVD player, LP detector, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2021 K-Z Connect C261RB is 6,220 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.